Hello there everybody, my name is BDF18 and welcome back to the LEGO Alt MOC build. Today we're converting this lovely MCL coupe into a go-kart. Yes, a go-kart, and a very small one too. It's only 91 pieces is this week's MOC build. 49 steps is roughly, let's say, 2 pieces, just under 2 pieces in average per section for this build. It's a very, very small one today, but it does look really cool from the image that I'm looking at. So we decided to build this. Let's strip the MCL coupe apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to today's build. Enjoy. This is full and complete conversion build for 76902's MCL coupe into go-kart, and it's good, but I've obviously realised I'm missing a piece. It must have fallen off my desk at some point. It's unfortunate, but it's one of those rare occasions where shit happens in LEGO. A piece I'm missing, and one of the yellow studs are a spare piece as well. It must be in the spares box. So I've actually changed the exhaust system around. You would have seen in the edit. The exhaust system is now new. Dual blue exhaust instead of the silver ones. I don't know, quite nice, especially when they're curved like that. This is a good build. It took about 20-25 minutes at best to build. That includes searching for pieces and me hunting for that lost piece, but I haven't been able to find it just yet. It's really quite simple, and I do quite like it. You can see the go-kart-esque look. It's got all the bumpers around it and the little shell in the middle in which you are encased in. A nice build. This is going to be the last conversion for the 76902. Go vote in the poll on my community page right now for the next series starting next Monday. Will it be a Technic or will it be another Speed Champ set? Go vote. Leave your mark on my channel today. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below and leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you buy and or build this set? Are you interested in this MOC? It's a good set. It's not bad. It's not great. It's just fine. And I think it's a cool little thing to build if you've got a half an hour to kill. With that said, I've been BDF18. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next build. Take care.